What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and this is going to be a relatively simple video. I'm going to be showing you how you can turn an old laptop charger like this into a variable voltage desk power supply for your projects. So let's get started. So let me just quickly explain how the circuit diagram is going to work. We have our AC power input right here that sends power to the switch. The switch is connected to the laptop charger. The laptop charger outputs 19 volts to the step-down converter, and step-down converter finally gives the power to the banana plugs. And also we have our voltmeter connected to the output plug to show us the voltage we are getting. So my power supply is going to be a bit more complex than the list I showed you. Apart from the variable 19 volts from the laptop charger, I'm also going to be adding a 12 volt 2 amp adapter and a 5 volt 2 amp adapter. Now the reason I'm doing this is just because I want to be able to use 12 volts, 5 volts and the variable 19 volts at the same time, and I also want a 5 volt USB jack on the side of it. This is the easiest way to open a sealed power supply. That was easy. So I've got the laptop adapter out of this housing, so we can start building the circuit now. So we need to make a slight modification to our step-down converter right here. So this is an LM2596. So by default, these things have really tiny potentiometers soldered onto the board. You can tune the pot on top to adjust the voltage, but adjusting that in our power supply is going to be a bit hard. So I unsoldered the original one and soldered this big 10K pot onto it, which gives us a surface mount adjustment for our voltage. So I've wired up all the power supplies so we can test them out before we actually install them in the box. So check this out. We've got our 12 volt power supply right here. This is the 5 volt adapter and this is the 19 volt laptop charger, which is connected to the LM2596. So if I turn this on, the 2596 is currently set to full capacity, so we're getting 18.5 volts. And if I turn the dial, you can see the voltage starts to drop. So we also have our 12 volts and we have our 5 volts. Now that we verify everything's working, I'm going to start cutting holes in the front panel for all the connectors and the voltmeter and stuff, and we close all together. So I've just finished all the soldering. So now we're going to plug it in for the first time and see if it works. I hope it works. We've got a cable right here. Okay, I think it's plugged in. Hey, there it goes. So if I turn this dial right here now, we should see, there we go. So as you can see right here, as I'm turning the dial, the voltage is increasing and decreasing. So right now you've got a max of about 18.5 volts. So even though the laptop adapter is 19 volts, we are losing a bit of current and voltage in the LM2596. But that's not much of a problem though. Well, the one thing to note is the fan is pretty loud. So I guess it's done. There's still a bit of work on it left. For example, although I really like the orange color on this box, I did want to paint it because it's got all the text all over it, but I don't have any paint right now, and Amazon isn't delivering because lockdown. So I have to paint this later. This fan is a bit janky on top, but I like janky, so I don't really think it's a problem. So also, one thing that could be improved is the USB cutout in front. It's pretty ugly. Maybe I could sort of make a plastic bracket that fits over the opening. But otherwise, I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please make sure you leave a like on it. Get subscribed for more similar content. Follow me on Instagram @thehouseholdtechnician, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.